A company runs a shopping application that uses Amazon DynamoDB to store customer information. In case of data corruption, a solutions architect needs to design a solution that meets a recovery point objective of 15 minutes and recovery time of objective of 1 hour. What should the solutions architect recommend to meet these requirements? The correct answer is option B. Configure DynamoDB point in time recovery for RPO recovery. Restore to the desired point in time. RPO of 15 minutes is met by PITR. Restore to any point within the last 35 days for quick recovery, fulfilling the RTO of 1 hour. Next question. A company runs multiple Windows workloads on AWS. The company's employees use Windows file shares that are hosted on two Amazon EC2 instances. The file shares synchronize data between themselves and maintain duplicate copies. The company wants a highly available and durable storage solution that preserves how users currently access the files. What should a solutions architect do to meet these requirements? Subscribe to this channel for more practice questions. The correct answer is option C. Extend the file share environment to Amazon FSx for Windows File Server with a multi-AZ configuration. Migrate all the data to FSx for Windows File Server. FSx for Windows File Server offers high availability and durability with a multi-AZ configuration. It is compatible with Windows file share protocols, ensuring minimal disruption and preserving how users access files. Next question. A company provides a voice over Internet Protocol service that uses UDP connections. The service consists of Amazon EC2 instances that run in autoscaling group. The company has deployments across multiple AWS regions. The company needs to route users to the region with the lowest latency. The company also needs automated failover between regions. This solution will meet these requirements. The correct answer is option A. Deploy a network load balancer and an associated target group. Associate the target group with the autoscaling group. Use the NLB as an AWS Global Accelerator endpoint in each region. Network load balancer is ideal for handling UDP traffic and provides low latency routing. AWS Global Accelerator automatically routes users to the region with the lowest latency and enables automated failover between regions, ensuring high availability and resiliency. Next question. A company has an application that provides marketing services to stores. The services are based on previous purchases by store customers. The stores upload transaction data to the company through SFTP, and the data is processed and analyzed to generate new marketing offers. Some of the files can exceed 200 GB in size. Recently, the company discovered that some of the stores have uploaded files that contain personally identifiable information that should not have been included. The company wants administrators to be alerted if PII is shared again. The company also wants to automate remediation. What should a solutions architect do to meet these requirements with the least development effort? The correct answer is option B. Amazon S3 is used as the secure transfer point for file uploads. Amazon Messi automatically scans objects for PII with a minimal setup. Amazon SMS triggers a notification to administrators. for action, ensuring automation without custom code or complex remediations. Next question. A company is preparing to launch a public-facing web application in the AWS cloud. The architecture consists of Amazon EC2 instances within a VPC behind an elastic load balancer. A third-party service is used for the DNS. The company's solutions architect must recommend a solution to detect and protect against large-scale DDoS attacks. Which solution meets these requirements? Option A. Enable Amazon Guard Duty on the account. Option B. Enable Amazon Inspector on the EC2 instances. Option C. Enable AWS Shield and assign Amazon Route 53 to it. Option D. Enable AWS Shield Advanced and assign the ELB to it. The correct answer is option D. AWS Shield Advanced provides DDoS protection for applications running on AWS. It specifically protects elastic load balancers against large-scale DDoS attacks. AWS Shield Advanced is designed for high-level protection, monitoring, and automatic mitigation against attacks. Next question. A company has a data ingestion workflow that consists of the following: an Amazon Simple Notification Service topic for notifications about new data deliveries, an AWS Lambda function to process the data and record metadata. The company observes that the ingestion workflow fails occasionally because of network connectivity issues. When such a failure occurs, the Lambda function does not ingest the corresponding data unless the company manually reruns the job. Which combination of actions should a solutions architect take to ensure that the Lambda function ingests all data in the future? Choose two options. The correct options are option B and option E. Using Amazon SQS as an intermediary allows you to reliably store messages before they are processed by Lambda. This ensures that the Lambda function can process them at a later time, even if it fails due to temporary issues, preventing message loss. Modifying the Lambda function to read from the SQS queue ensures that the function consumes messages asynchronously and can retry processing without losing data even when network issues occur. SQS provides durability and retry logic, so Lambda will continue processing message until successful. Next question. A company is building an application in the AWS cloud. The application will store data in Amazon S3 buckets in two AWS regions. The company must use an AWS key management service, customer managed key to encrypt all data that is stored in the S3 buckets. The data in both S3 buckets must be encrypted and decrypted with the same KMS key. The data and the key must be stored in each of the two regions. Which solution will meet these requirements with the least operational overhead? The correct answer is option B. Create a customer managed multi-region KMS key, create an S3 bucket in each region, configure replication between the S3 buckets, configure the application to use the KMS key with client-side encryption. Next question. A company recently launched a variety of new workloads on Amazon EC2 instances in its AWS account. The company needs to create a strategy to access and administer the instances remotely and securely. The company needs to implement a repeatable process that works with native AWS services and follows the AWS well-architected framework. Which solution will meet these requirements with the least operational overhead? The correct answer is option B. Attach the appropriate IAM role to each existing instance. A new instance use AWS Systems Manager session session manager to establish a remote SSH session. Attach an IAM role to each instance and use AWS Systems Manager Session Manager. This allows for secure remote administration of EC2 instances without needing SSH or Bastion hosts, minimize, minimizing operational overhead and following best practices. Next question. A company has thousands of edge devices that collectively generate 1 TB of status alerts each day. Each alert is approximately 2 KB in size. A solutions architect needs to implement a solution to ingest and store the alerts for future analysis. The company wants a highly available solution. However, the company needs to minimize costs and does not want to manage additional infrastructure. Additionally, the company wants to keep 14 days of data available for immediate analysis and archive any data older than 14 days. What is the most operationally efficient solution that meets these requirements? Option A is the correct answer. Kinesis Data Firehouse automatically ingests data and delivers it to an S3 bucket. You can set up an S3 lifecycle policy to transition data to S3 Glacier after 14 days, making the solution high available, cost effective, and automated with minimal operational overhead. Next question. A company wants to migrate its on-premises application to AWS. The application produces output files that vary in size from tens of gigabytes to hundreds of terabytes. The application data must be stored in a standard file system structure. The company wants a solution that scales automatically, is highly available, and requires minimum operational overhead. Which solution will meet these requirements? The correct answer is option C. Migrate the application to Amazon EC2 instances in a multi-AZ auto-scaling group. Use Amazon Elastic File System for storage. Amazon Elastic File System provides a scalable, highly available file storage solution that automatically adjusts to your storage needs. It can be accessed by multiple EC2 instances simultaneously, and it requires minimal operational overhead, making it ideal for applications that need to store data in a file system structure and scale automatically.